Thanks for checking out my channel, Trial and Error. I started Trial and Error all the way back in 2008 as a way to share my first custom frame-off car restoration. Well, it was a truck. Since then, the channel has grown in quite a few different directions, but the core values remain the same. Building or modifying cool stuff yourself to save money and learn a new skill in the process. I call it trial and error because that's where my knowledge comes from. I'm handy with just about everything, but a master of absolutely nothing. So don't expect to see much done the quote-unquote proper way. I'm also probably the cheapest and, believe it or not, the laziest bastard that I know. If necessity is the mother of invention, I've always believed that cheapness and laziness is the mother of innovation. No, most likely it won't be done the right way, and yeah, many corners are gonna get cut. I measure once and I cut twice. There'll be inappropriate jokes, there'll be sexual innuendo, as well as some really corny one-liners. Plan A, Plan B, maybe Plan C will fail miserably, but in the end, we'll get it right and the result will be awesome. Now, YouTube suggests that content creators be very consistent and produce one type of content. Well, I don't do that. And millions of viewers and thousands of subscribers just can't be wrong, I guess. One day I'll be reviewing a piece of electronics, the next day I'll be blowing up 750 pounds of fireworks. I make these videos because they genuinely interest me, or they're things that I'm passionate about, so you're gonna have to expect a little bit of video topic Tourette syndrome on my channel. Together though, my hope is that we can learn what not to do as well as what works. I take a lot of pride in these accomplishments and in these videos. I also take pride in knowing that I saved a fortune, or I helped somebody else save a fortune, compared to the clown that hires somebody to get the same result and spends for it. I approach life, and I've always approached life in the form of kind of trial and error. And if you're wired the same way as me, we're gonna build some cool shit together, and we'll get it right the wrong way. So welcome to my channel. Thank you for checking it out. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, criticisms, throw them down in the comment section of any of my videos. I do try really hard to be as responsive as I can in those things, but I'm glad you're here, and yeah, enjoy the videos.